Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some tips on do's and don'ts when you're filing an insurance claim. Today, I want to share with you a story on one of my clients who I've approached. She had roof damage, and when I spoke to her, she was very angry, very frustrated because she's had this claim pending since Hurricane Irma. The insurance has denied to replace her roof, and she was denied already multiple times. She already lost hope. She was so frustrated in the process. On top of that, she really felt that there was nothing she can do. Well, all I did was ask her one question, and I asked her, do you want to fix your roof? And she told me, yes, I do. I said, can you afford to pay for it out of pocket? She told me no. I said, so I asked her another question. I said, okay, so if I can help you replace your roof without costing you not 1 cent, will you give me a shot? And she told me yes. She said, what can you possibly do that's going to help me replace my roof? And I told her, well, let me explain to you exactly what I can do. First of all, I told her, we are going to shrink wrap your roof. By shrink wrapping your roof, not only is this going to help her claim, but if she didn't have a claim, it will open up an additional claim to the claim that she had been denied to. So the main thing is we turned around and she was denied, but her claim was not closed. So we turned around, we shrink wrapped her roof. Well, let me tell you. Now, out of nowhere, the insurance company see, oh my God, where she's getting all this help from. Well, it turned out to be a wonderful result because the insurance agreed to pay to replace her roof. And in the process of her getting her roof replaced, not only was she excited at the moment, she was happy knowing that she didn't have to pay for this out of pocket, and she didn't understand how by shrink wrapping her roof, this will help her claim along the way. Well, it shows the insurance company that you are willing to do whatever it takes to protect your home. And insurance company wants to see that you're taking action on trying to cover whatever leaks are coming into your home to prevent your home from further damage. But in this process, she also hired an attorney. The attorney had very lack of communication. She didn't know anything about what was going on within 2 years until we stepped in and was able to feed her information. In the process of that, we maintain follow-up contact with our clients to let them know along the way where we at in her process so that she knows exactly where she stands. Well, in the process of her getting her claim through her attorney approved, well, her attorney failed to file another additional claim for her kitchen. The water intrusion was coming in worse through her kitchen, which means it completely destroyed her cabinets, her granite countertop. I've never seen granite break into like hundreds of pieces the way her counter did. I was so stunned because this is a very strong stone. And her sink caved in and everything. And this lady and this family has been living in this home like this, hoping that the insurance will pay to get their home fixed. Well, the insurance did not know that we were helping her along the way. We turned around, we did what's called mold inspection. And when we did the mold inspection, we found out that her case is severe, okay? It's severe. When we do a mold inspection, usually the insurance, to get the insurance to pay, you need to be at a 17. She was at a 40. That's how severe her case was. On top of that, she had mold growing all over her house. The smell was unbearable, and they are so immune to it, and they breathing this in and out every single day. Her husband, and her 4 kids are living like this. You know, and it's sad to see families having to go through a situation like this, knowing you have insurance and you're paying them every month and never in your life did a claim, but yet they refuse to pay. You know, that shit freaking sucks, let me tell you. but we were able to help her. But the one mistake she did, and she didn't consult with us in the process, was that when the attorney told her the insurance is ready to pay out on the roof, sent her a release form, and she signed it, which meant what? She closed out her case, which means now her kitchen and her mold issues is not going to be taken care of. When she told me this, I was so upset and devastated in the process, because this homeowner already has gotten cancer due to breathing all this mold on a daily basis. A month later, her husband had a stroke. Okay, now I go back to her home 2 weeks later. All her kids are suffering from this severe rash all over their body. I had no idea what it was. I've never seen it in my life. It wasn't chicken pox, because I know I have kids and I know what that type of rash looks like. But they suffering like from some type of skin irritation. I can't even explain it. I told her to take all her kids to the emergency room now, and I told her she had to leave this house. The thing is that when you're financially strapped or you're unemployed, it makes it very difficult for you to go someplace else, because you don't have the money. This is your home. This is where your life is. And it becomes, very hard for you to make those choices. But guys, your insurance has coverage on it that if you ever have to leave for whatever reason, due to any mold infestation, any damage or anything in your house, you have to look at your declaration page. She had a coverage of almost $48,000 for her to live elsewhere. And she didn't even know this. Once we looked at her insurance policy, we told her, you got $48,000 to work with. Try to find something that's cheap so that you don't go through the money extremely fast, but at least it'll buy you some time until we can demo your house and replace your kitchen and put all new drywalls up, because all the drywall in her home has to come down. So basically, she had no idea. So now we are planning a plan B. We did spoke with the attorney. The attorney now is trying to fight the case to reopen up the claim. She said that it was possible. We're going to see if it is or if it ain't. But if the attorney cannot reopen up her case, then we will go with a plan B. The plan B is, just so that you know, this is the way I work. The insurance company approved her for $16,000 to replace her roof. And I told her, okay, if they do not open up your claim again so that you could get your kitchen repaired, we're going to go with plan B. Plan B is going to be that we are going to use the $16,000, replace her kitchen, and do all the repairs necessary to bring her house back to good standards. And I have a company right now where she can get a roof replaced with no money down, no credit, and she has up to 1 year to make her first payment of like $100, because they will even spread it over 20-year terms. So basically, she doesn't have a choice. The main thing is she's getting both situations taken care of. And I know, and I told her, if you don't want to get into having to dish out money to pay a roof all in one shot, my advice to you is this is the best way you can go in an emergency situation like this. You understand? So basically, it's going to help her get her roof replaced, and it's going to take care of her mold issue as well. I mean, she has mold on the second floor, the garage, the bathroom, the living room, the kitchen, the dining room. It's pretty much everywhere. And in her bathroom, she can't see it because she's got wallpaper. Guys, if you got wallpaper, you're never going to see you got mold. But once you stick that meter in there and it starts beeping, you're going to know there's moisture back there. And that's one thing that in her master bathroom, she told me, oh, no, I don't have no mold in there. And when we went in there, oh, my God, that meter was beeping everywhere. So I told her, yes, you do. You just can't see it because of the wallpaper, but you do have mold in here. But so I feel happy that at least we have a plan B, just in case plan A, we can't get them to reopen up the case. But my advice to you is please, please, please read all your documentation. Don't get overwhelmed with the money the insurance is giving you. Make sure you read that you are not signing a release. If this the only thing you're waiting on is just one check for your roof, do not sign anything until you at least had a free mold inspection done in your home to make sure that you don't have mold growth behind your walls, and you can take care of this issue with your insurance before you close out your claim. Guys, it's very important. But if you have any questions about this, or you need any further information, or if you need someone to shrink wrap your roof, or need some experts to come in and do a free mold inspection, because this is totally zero out of pocket cost to you guys, please give me a call or email us. We will be more than happy to help you resolve any issues you may have going on. Any problems you have, trust me when I tell you, I have a solution. One way or the other, we're going to help you. We will develop a plan A, B, and C. Guys, I look forward to working with anybody that needs help. But if you do need my help, just please feel free to contact us. And I hope this advice can come in handy sometime in the future for all you homeowners, who've never filed any claim. Just be very careful on how you do it, and make sure you at least understand what you are doing. If you don't, hire a public adjuster. If you don't have anyone that you can trust, give me a call. I can refer actually some very good public adjusters that can help you along the process. So with that said, guys, I hope this story, is definitely enough to motivate you to make a wiser decision when you are going to file an insurance claim. So with that said, guys, I look forward to seeing you guys on my next video. Bye now.